Good morning, students. Now continue lesson number second, cultural heritage of India. Yesterday we seen art of Indian artisans, and especially 2 points. We did art, clay work, and art of weaving. Today we will start our next topic, art of embroidery. Okay, now how the art of embroidery is useful? Let's see. The work of embroidery can be seen on the clothes of the idols and statues which were found during the excavations of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Now, today I will read directly the meaning, especially how it is useful. Embroidery is an ancient art from done as small scale industry by Gujarati women. It is mainly done by the women in Saurashtra and Kutch region of the state. Women make embroidered torans, chakla means wall pieces, shak, todalia and bed sheets. Clothes like kedia means jackets, shawls and quilts are embroidered. The Jat community of Bani area of Kutch is known for its unique embroidery. Apart from embroidery, Bandhani of Jamnagar, Jodhpur, Bhuj and Mandvi of Gujarat are very popular. The traditional style of Bandhani with all its luster and due to the beautiful designs of elephant, puppet, dice and pitcher. Pitcher means a big pot or jug like this. It's very popular today. Cottage industry was taken over the women of Kutch and Saurashtra region of Gujarat. Our next topic is leather industry. Let's see how leather industry is useful in our cultural heritage. Leather means skin of dead animals. Was used for various purposes in ancient India. So, leather as an art form had a prominent place in India in ancient times. It was used for making mashak. You can say now leather bag or fetching water. The bellows used by blacksmiths and leather straps. After the death of animal, the skin was processed in a traditional manner. Leather was prominently used for making many things. Mashak, kos, drum, dholak, tabla and the below used by blacksmith and various types of footwear, leather, belts to tie animals, etc. Leather was also used to prepare shield which was used during wars. Leather was processed traditionally and items were made according to daily needs. Well-knitted mojri of Rajasthan done in silver or golden thread work. Shoes, purses and belts are made of leather. The leather items used for riding on a horse and camel are sach, palan and lagam. Okay, our next topic is diamond beadwork and animal work. Diamond, bead and animal work. Let's see. India has 7,570 kilometer long coastline surrounding all three directions, east, west and south. So diamond and beads means girls are wearing mala like that, are available in plenty. There has been a wide use of gems and diamonds since ancient times. Ancient time trade of diamond and beads was carried out through sea routes with different countries across the sea. The world famous diamond like Kohinoor and Great Mughal were found in India. Diamonds, rubies, beads, emerald and topaz have been used for jewelry, thrones and crowns. Jewelry like bracelet and garland etc. of kings. Beadwork is also found in Prominent in Gujarat, the beautiful bead torans, pachit, pots, badi, chakra, decorative coconut used at the time of ceremonies. Ceremonies means Lagrana Nadial, no? Indoni, Modia, a net which covers the mouth of the bullock horns, hand fans, animal back cover, jewel, etc., are knitted in a unique artistic way. India has been a leading country in jewelry since time immemorial. No, India has leading country in jewelry. They are interested. India is the only country. India is the one country in the world where expertise can be seen in animal work. Apart from the gold and silver work, animal work means the artistic skill of inlaying the bright colors like red, green, and blue in the gold, silver ornaments like rings, bangles, earrings, keychain, chain, etc. Experts of animal work are seen especially in Jaipur, Delhi, Lucknow, Varanasi, and Hyderabad. Please underline here and starting line. India has 17 kilometer long coastline. Okay, please underline. These are important things. Okay, now our next topic is Jari work. Now, how Jari work is useful for us? Let's see. In India, Jari work is an ancient work. Our ancestors' work, Jari work is very famous. Jari is the gold and silver thread used for doing embroidery on the cloths. Surat is famous, please underline, Surat is famous for its Jari and Jardoshi work. Jardoshi, if you don't know what is the meaning of Jardoshi, so please ask your mummy, papa or elder person, they will know what is the meaning of Jardoshi work. Jardoshi is the embroidery done with gold thread on saris and garments or chundri, dupatta like this. Okay. Next topic is metal work. Let's see metal work and how metal is useful for us. Metal work is also a very old form of an art of India. Please underline, metal work is very old form. Metal age began and developed after stone age. Please underline. So before metal age, which age was? So stone age. The artisans of Lothal made different weapons like sickle, drill, and needle, etc. with copper and bronze. Moreover, they prepare utensils, idols, and pots. Idols means statue, murti. Arms and ammunition for wars. They are made of metal. Gold and silver were used for making ornaments. Copper, brass, and bronze were used to make dishes and idols, whereas iron was used to make instruments and weapons. Weapons means tools or hathiyar. Next is wooden art. So wooden art, wooden means what? Lakdo. It is very also useful, and how people use for wooden art. Let's see. Main trees and forest. Trees and forest are closely associated with each other. Main trees and forest. This is trees, forest, and main closely associated. Initially, means starting, wood was used as a firewood. Later on, for making weapons, constructions of building and other construction work, gradually wood was used for different purpose, like for making idols, toys for children, wooden toys, wooden pillars, windows and doors, small huts on top of the terrace thrones, chairs, and grills. In this way, wood carving was developed. Wooden furniture like swings and toys of Idar and Sankheda in Gujarat are well known. See, underline, you also underline here, okay? Dear students, so today I read how many topics? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 topics. So dear students, you also please read and understand carefully, okay? I think your unit number 1 will be complete. If you complete, please send me in Google Classroom, okay? Thank you.